January 26th, 2021 Fluency. The Thomas Jefferson Memorial is on 18 and 36/100 acres of land, and the Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial, ooh, that's a tongue twister, Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial is on 7.5 or 7.5 or 7 5/10 acres of land. How many more acres is the Jefferson Memorial than the Roosevelt Memorial? So how many more means, how many more? That means we're going to subtract. So we are going to take 18.36 or 18 and 36/100, and we're going to subtract 7 5/10. So when I'm subtracting decimals, remember we must line them up. 18 and 36/100 minus 7 5/10. I'm going to put that placeholder of 0. I'm going to move this down. There we go. All right, let's subtract. So, 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 5 you can't do, so that 8 becomes a 7 to make this 3 a 13. 13 minus 5 is going to be 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's going to be 8. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. My bad. We're going to have 8 there. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it down. Drop it like it's hot. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer is going to be 10 and 86/100 acres, acres, more. And that's just how you measure land in acres. So that is going to be our answer. And that is going to be it for the fluency. Great job.